Having a crush can be exciting and a little scary. If you want to impress your crush, here are some simple steps to follow. Number 1. Be confident. Believe in yourself and be comfortable with who you are. Stand tall and be proud of your qualities. Number 2. Dress nicely. Wear clothes that make you feel good and are appropriate for the occasion. Look neat and clean. Number 3. Show interest. Get to know your crush by talking to them and listening carefully. Ask questions and show that you care about what they say. Number 4. Be yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Be genuine and let your true personality shine. Number 5. Be kind. Treat everyone, including your crush, with kindness and respect. Be polite, helpful, and considerate. Number 6. Make them laugh. Share jokes or funny stories to make your crush smile. Laughter can create a bond between people. Number 7. Find common interests. Discover activities or hobbies you both enjoy. Suggest doing something together that you both like. Number 8. Be confident in your abilities. Show off your skills and talents. If you're good at something, let your crush see it. Number 9. Support their dreams. Encourage your crush to pursue their goals and dreams. Show interest in what they want to achieve. Number 10. Give them space. Don't be too clingy or pushy. Respect their boundaries and give them time alone when they need it. Remember, it's important to be yourself and not try to be someone you're not. Take things slowly and be patient. Impressions take time, so focus on building a genuine connection with your crush. Good luck!